Today is such a great day, and that definitely calls for a great recipe. Welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, good people, and without further ado, let's make this delicious pilau.
Winnfrey's Kitchen.
So these are the ingredients that you are going to use. 2 cups of well-washed rice, preferably Basmati Aromatic rice to get that great flavor and fluffy pilau. Some well-boiled beef. 1.5 tablespoons of pilau masala to flavor. 2 pieces of ginger. 6 cloves of garlic. 2 medium-sized onions. Salt to taste and soy sauce. First, we'll slice the onions. Then we'll finely chop the cloves of garlic. To make it easy to chop your garlic, heat it the way I've just done here. Next, we'll finely chop our ginger and put that aside. Again, to make it easy to chop ginger, heat it. Next, we'll brown the beef in the oil. Remove the beef and put it aside. We'll then saute the onions in the same oil until golden brown. We use the same oil to completely milk the flavor and nutrients. We'll then add the browned beef and let this cook for a few seconds. Then we'll add the garlic and ginger and saute this for a few seconds as well. Then we'll add our spices, which are pilau masala, soy sauce and salt to flavor. We'll give this a very good mix, then let it cook for a few minutes. We'll then add the washed rice and mix this thoroughly. We'll then add 4 cups of water and cover this with aluminium foil and leave this to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on medium heat. The aluminium foil helps trap and retain the moisture for even cooking. The 45 minutes are over, and as you can see, our pilau is ready. It looks and smells majestic and delicious. Now you can serve it with any meat or salad you want, but for today I'll be serving it with mango salsa salad, which is very easy to make. You'll just slice 1 full mango as you can see me do here and put that in a bowl. We'll then slice 2 full tomatoes, Remove the inside part as we don't want our salad becoming soggy. And then finally chop this into cube shapes and add this into the bowl. We'll then slice one onion and add this to the mixture as well. And finally, coriander leaves. Mix this very well and serve this alongside your pilau and enjoy with some chicken, soda, or however you prefer. Don't forget to let me know how you prefer to enjoy your pilau in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and share this yummy recipe with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye!